Hey everyone, this is Jenny Garcia, and in this video I was going to open just my Studio Calico kit, but I also ordered these pens from Amazon. I can't remember who recommended them. I think if it wasn't Ali Edwards, maybe it was Christine Tweedale. I can't open this, it's embarrassing. But they're supposed to have like a very fine tip, and my little hourglass pen is about to run out, so I needed something that I could use on photo paper. Oh, this is super tiny. I think it's small. It's like I think it was 0.4. Yeah, I think it is. It comes with 5, and I think it was only $9, but it writes really nice. It's Pilot. They do very well with their pens. I just wanted to show them because very likely I'm going to be using those in the future. But this month they had the kits, and then they had some items for $1 that you can add to your subscriber box, and you don't get charged for shipping. That's pretty awesome. And from what I've seen online, the kit is really cute, which I'm glad because last month it wasn't my favorite. Let's get closer. And so a few items for not $1. Maybe I should start with those. These are the items that were $1. This was 97 cents. And I think I already had this one, but I don't mind because I do love it. It's really cute. And I don't think I had these in orange, and I love this font. I think this one is the nail font. And this was in the Alpine Documenters kit. So if you have that kit, you have that. Or that it came in green. Now I can't remember. So this washi is super cute. And it has like paint strokes, brush strokes actually. And this is like the filler for this, and I love numbers. And I have a font similar to this, also from Studio Calico, but it's obviously a little bit bigger, and it's only in bold. It doesn't have like the lines, so it's pretty much, it's very similar, which is cool. You can like layer these too. I like that. So this is the one that comes in the kit, and this was an add-on. And these stickers are so cute. I love it. These are the chipboard, Enjoy the Good Life. I think this one is a little printed that it's not like lined up perfectly, but I don't mind. These are so cute. I am in love with these, and I think this is the same designer because they look, it's not the same design, but they do look very good together. And there's 2 sheets of this one. I'm missing, I think I'm missing a blue star. That's fine. This font, which I forgot the name, but in black. I like black alphas, but they're never my first choice. Whenever I have black alphas, it's because they came either in a big pack or I was getting some of these, and usually I really don't get black, but still love these. Wish they had numbers. That's something they did the first few months. I think the first 2 or 3 they added numbers, and I was like, awesome, because this year we're gonna have numbers every month. No, they didn't. This is so cute. Now these would also being cool, and there's acetate, or these are vellum, but we'll see. Let's look at the stickers first. There always has the month, a number, which you can also use for week 6 or something like that. Summer stickers, and I think there's 2 in here, which is pretty awesome. So you have all the sunshine, create, life needs a few more picnics. I was so excited because I saw a few of these picnic related items, and I was like, oh, my daughter's gonna have a picnic. But her picnic was the same day as the wildfire, the fires in Canada, so they had to cancel it because the air quality was awful. These are pretty awesome, and I'm sure that I'm gonna use them even in stuff that is not summer. Okay, and these are vellum. Let me see if white. There we go. A white background. Better than flowers. Nothing better than flowers. Good book. And what? Or 2. This moment is everything. Totally ordinary. A totally ordinary moment. Okay, this is confusing. Finding the beauty in today. Every day. Make something every day. Life needs more picnics. Sunshine. No, cover me in sunshine. This one's really light. My comfort zone, outside my comfort zone, and then these smaller ones. I prefer acetate to vellum, but this is still really cute. I'm not gonna read them all because that's gonna take a while. And let's see the journaling cards. As always, we have the rainbow, the signature rainbow. Make something. This is really cute. All you need is love. Life is good. And you, oh, this is really cute. Live in the moment. Live in the now. Create the small moments. Picnic. Oh, this is really cute on both sides. It's one of those that I'm gonna struggle, enjoy the now. This is really cute. And this too. Okay, the first side, all of them are cute. None of those were, you know, throwaways, which is already a lot better than last month. Let's picnic. Oh, I love a good list. Live in the moment. Soak in the rain, race for days. Make something cute. Oh, and these are the little acetate circles. Summer loving. More flowers. Life is good. Go on a picnic. The sun always rises. Oh, I love this one too. Which we had something similar before, but I love a grid. Perfect opportunity for a super tiny handwriting. Farmers market faves. And okay, let's see all the 6x4. Love this one. Fun times here. Oh, this is really cool. The result, what I'm making, supplies needed. This is freaking cool. Be your very best. Flower market, June 2023. And I like all of them. It's been a while since I liked every single card. Every single journaling card. No dots there. And actually not in the kit either. The thing that I like the least, and it's not that I disliked it, it's the circles, just because I prefer you know, acetate. But every single piece I am okay. This is a contender for February. Do I like this one more? Yes, I like it more, and it has the stamp with numbers. Yep. Okay, that's it. This is my favorite one of the year so far. I'm so excited. I love it, and the things that I got go so perfect with the kit. I love it. This has been a great Happy Mail package. I'm gonna add these to the links below. They're affiliate links. You don't have to use them, but they do help a lot. And also by the same person, Golden Wood. And oh my god, let me know what was your favorite item. Okay, I said that it was my favorite thing in the year so far. And my favorite item, I like these stickers so much, but I also really like the stamp. I'm gonna go with the stickers. They're just so cute. And they're the perfect size, and I can use them with my little clusters with washi and little word stickers. So let me know what was your favorite item. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you're having an awesome day. Bye.